Hello everyone, welcome back to SolveStream. In this episode of Triangle Theorem series, we are doing Orthocenter theorem. So this theorem says the three altitudes of a triangle meet at a single point called the orthocenter. So before we understand this statement, let us understand the word altitude. For that, let us draw a triangle. An altitude is a line segment which is drawn from the vertex of one of the triangles to the opposite side or its extension, making a 90-degree angle. So this is an altitude. So according to this theorem, all the altitudes must meet at a single point called the orthocenter. Now let us draw all the altitudes here from the three corners. So if you see, all these altitudes are meeting at this single point, which is called the orthocenter. So let us understand how this works in a right angle triangle. For that, we have to draw a right angle triangle. So here is a right angle triangle. Now it's trying to draw the altitudes. So here is an altitude from this vertex, and this is an altitude from the other vertex, and we have the third altitude coming from this vertex. Now if you see this, all these altitudes again are meeting at a single point, which is called the orthocenter. Now if you observe, in an acute angle, the orthocenter is inside the triangle, and in a right angle triangle, the orthocenter is on the triangle. Now let us understand how it works in an obtuse angle triangle. For that, let's draw an obtuse angle triangle. So here is an obtuse angle triangle. Now it's time to draw the altitudes. So here is an altitude from this corner, another altitude from this corner, and from the third corner we have another, the last altitude. Now if you see, if you extend this line, all the altitudes again meet at a single point, and this point is nothing but the orthocenter. And if you observe, it is outside the triangle.